If your workshop is always messy, if you waste time searching for tools, screws, accessories, or small parts, then this is exactly what you need. A disorganized workspace slows you down, breaks your focus, and makes even simple jobs more frustrating than they should be. Today, I'm showing you the Parkside Organizer and Storage Set, a modular wall storage system designed to bring real order, clarity, and efficiency to your workspace. This Parkside Organizer and Storage Set is a complete wall-mounted solution for tools, accessories, and small components. It is designed to be modular, expandable, and fully customizable, depending on the size of your workshop and the way you like to work. Whether you have a small garage, a dedicated workshop, a storage room, or even a utility space, this system adapts easily and helps you use every centimeter efficiently. One of the biggest advantages of a wall-mounted storage system like this is that it keeps your workbench clear. Instead of piling tools on the bench or storing them in random boxes, everything has a dedicated place on the wall. This improves workflow, saves time, and makes your workspace feel cleaner and more professional. Inside the set, you get multiple storage elements designed to work together as one complete system. Depending on the version, this usually includes modular wall panels, storage bins in different sizes, tool holders, hooks, and brackets for hand tools. Each element is designed to fit securely into the panels, allowing you to build your own layout and change it whenever needed. The storage bins are perfect for screws, bolts, wall plugs, fittings, drill bits, electrical connectors, and other small accessories. Having these items visible and separated by size makes a huge difference when working on projects, especially when speed and accuracy matter. The hooks and holders are ideal for hand tools like screwdrivers, pliers, cutters, measuring tools, and even compact power tools. Everything locks firmly into the wall panels, so once installed, the system feels solid and stable. There is no wobbling, no loose parts, and no feeling that something might fall off the wall during use. This is important in a real workshop environment where tools are used daily. Build quality is exactly what you expect from Parkside. The wall panels are made from strong, durable plastic designed to handle workshop conditions such as dust, temperature changes, and regular use. The storage bins feel thick and robust, not thin or fragile, and they can handle being loaded with metal parts without flexing. The hooks and tool holders are reinforced and designed to carry real weight, not just lightweight tools. This makes the system suitable for everyday workshop tasks, not just light hobby use. It's clearly built to last and handle long-term use. Another major advantage of this organizer set is its modular design. You can rearrange everything whenever you want, move bins around, add more hooks, or expand the system as your tool collection grows. You are not locked into a fixed layout. If your needs change, the storage system changes with you. This flexibility is especially useful in workshops where new tools are added regularly. Instead of drilling new holes in the wall every time, you simply reconfigure the existing panels and accessories. This saves time and keeps the wall clean and organized. Using a system like this helps you work faster and more efficiently. You always know where each tool is, you can grab it instantly and return it to the same place when you're done. This reduces clutter and keeps your workbench free for actual work. It's also a great solution if you already use Parkside tools. The organizer fits perfectly into the Parkside ecosystem and keeps everything visually consistent across your workshop. This creates a clean, professional look that makes the space more enjoyable to work in. Now you're seeing the Parkside Organizer and Storage Set fully installed on the wall, with Parkside tools mounted on it. This is how the system looks in real use, not staged or empty, but fully loaded and ready for work. Everything is easy to access, clear clearly visible and securely mounted. If you're looking for a practical and affordable way to organize your tools and upgrade your workshop setup, this Parkside Organizer and Storage Set is an excellent solution. It combines flexibility, durability, and smart design into one simple system. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel for more tool reviews and workshop ideas, and I'll see you in the next video.